My microphone's in a bit screwy. Hang on. The other fucking thing you... Oh, whatever, this'll do. Okay, so today we'll be working on audio. I may have to turn off the XM player. I have recorded some voice lines for... Well, I say voice lines, it's more sound effects, which you'll probably see soon. Hear soon, even. Just give myself a bit more air to breathe. Right. So, not yesterday, but the day before, we did some. We did our checkpoints right here, and then all this. I think we also did something else. Yes. So for now, we're going to start with the BGM. Now I've downloaded something from Kevin MacLeod. So before I forget, I do want to update the windscreen. If I can find the darn thing. It's under here. So yeah, the windscreen's kind of like the credits as well. There we go. And yes, Jeffrey's Premium Carney, age 7 years. That is a reference to Jeffrey Epstein. Because Carney sounds like... Yeah. What else? I completely forgot what was it. Oh, yes. Fortunately, I implemented a BGM manager in the taco fishing game. So what I could do is just rip this. So scripts, base folder, yeah. Put this bgmplayer.gd into here. Open up the Godot script editor, if you don't mind. Here we go. And there we go. I think that's that, yeah. I don't know why this is a bit skewed. Yeah, we'll just make it so it's... There we go. Right. What next? What next, video game? Okay, that's sucking a fix. Now go back to this BGM manager. I think I also need the scene, which is also going to be in the tacos. Scenes, auto load, dialogue display and player profile manager. Okay, so BGM manager isn't a thing. Or rather, it is a thing, but it's here. Audio stream player. Yep. And then we stick the BGM player onto here. BGM player here. And the only track will be this. I do need to make this loop. But yeah, I can do that off stream. No worries about that. And by loop, I mean properly loop, not just click this box here, because this outro here is a thing. I don't need to set the loop here because it's handled here. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a case of chopping and changing in Audacity and hoping that thing, so whatever you call it. Right, I'm going to turn off SM Player just to make sure that the music here plays alright. Oh. Multiplied by 0 error in operator. Huh? Oh, right. Yeah, I set the track as a thing in the audio stream player, not as a thing in here. Stuck it in the wrong spot. This BGM player script is for here we go. I also off stream I added the so I need to add sound effects when the turntables are a thing. I also need to add a sound effect when the resetting is a thing. Switches as well, when those goes activated or not. Which means I probably need to get the vroom sound effect and get that reversed. Can you do that? Also a braking sound effect, I do need that. So I reckon we'll need a dedicated sound effects manager. So the player has its own sound effects. Probably the needs to have another stream player for the what do you call it? The crab pinching attack thing. Now, I don't want to put an audio stream player on all of the interactable objects because that's just another node in the tree, and I think there's enough nodes already. So I want to kind of keep them to a minimum. Or what I could do instead is make sure that only a given amount of nodes are active in the scene at any given time. So you can see at the very left of the screen, yeah, there's, what you call it, a scene that's not there anymore. But if there's any scene that's not in, camera shot, if you want to call it that. We'll probably want to move that somewhere else. Also, when you have that, oh god. The invalid type function fire. Okay. So, object derived class of argument on previously freed is okay. So, if is instance valid, this will be active projectiles. So the reason why that crashed is because I freed the projectile because we were resetting the stage. We were resetting the stage whilst this was happening, and then, of course, 2 seconds later, it tries to call something on something that's been freed. So this is instance valid, I think, handles that. Okay. Right. I may want to have neighbouring rooms like that. And from there you can, if there's not a neighbouring room, then just disable them. Oh, yeah, enable anything, so we can only have a maximum of 2 rooms active at a time because this game's linear. If we did have it as a true Metroidvania or Zelda-like, it'd be 4. Yeah, that's kind of how it would work. Yes. So in the room area, I want to put in no, not here. Here. Export far neighboring rooms. Now, array of area 3Ds. Actually, I'm going to do this properly for once. Class name room area. And there we go. Then on body entered, player entered emit body. Now, static are enabled rooms. This will also be an array of room areas. Equals blank. This will also default to blank as well. Then there into body. Process mode equals process mode dot pausable. Now the reason why this is, I don't think we'll need this, but it is good for completeness because we'll be loading the neighbouring scenes anyway. So var to disable equals neighboring rooms minus enabled room. No, it's enabled rooms minus neighboring rooms. GD script array difference. Oh. I'm going to do it ourselves. Oh boy. Okay, to disable equals this. Bar to enable equals blank. For bar in, no, for neighbor in neighboring rooms, if not neighbor in enabled rooms. No, I want to wait. I can do this here and then I can just stick the removing afterwards. Saves on saves a tiny bit of time. If not neighbor in there, then neighbor process mode equals plausible, and then enabled rooms append neighbor, then back up to here. So I think there's 2 disable and 2 enable. We can just don't need those. For room in enabled rooms. Wait a minute. Actually, I think we can do this in just the one loop. For room in enabled rooms, if not room in neighbor rooms, neighboring rooms, no, room dot process mode is disabled, and then enabled rooms erase our room, and then if it's not in the enabled rooms, then actually we don't need to do this check because we're going to be putting them in anyways. Except, no, this append. I don't think C# has a set. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. Put that back in there then. Yeah, get rid of these. Okay. Then ready. Set all of these process modes to disabled. And get our player. Let's see what happens. Actually, I want to do some printing as well. Print. Oop. Ah. Of course, it can't. If it's enabled, then it wouldn't have to. Shit. So these, all these need to be. These need to be having in because we can't. If we disable these, then the actual movement from room to room can't happen. So I think what we could do is this. Oh yeah, neighboring rooms as well. It's just what we could do is this, actually. We only need to keep these two enabled at the start because, you know, they're the start rooms. One, two. Four. Four. Six. Yeah. Room 4 has 3 and 5. 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7. Yep, and then finally room 8 has this room 7 in there. I don't think I need to load the previous room as well, but because this is a linear game, you don't. Well, actually, you might need to. So, entering 0, room 1 enabled. Room 1 disabled. Room 0 enabled. Room 2 enabled. Oh, right. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it doesn't show you on the thing if it works or not. Room in enabled room, if not room in neighboring rooms. Can I do this? If I... Oh. Apparently I can't. Okay, bar to enable equals neighboring rooms plus self. Instead of neighboring rooms, it'll be to enable. Room 1 and 0 enabled, yep. Room 2 enabled, yep. Room 1 disabled. No, room 0 needs to... oh, forgot to set this one. So this will be room 1 and room 3. Room 1, room 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7. 6, 8, 7. Room 2 enabled. So this should disable room 2. Room 0, yes. Enables room 3. Why are the conveyors so slow? I don't usually recall them being this slow to begin with. All disabled, 7 enabled, 5, 8. I reckon it's because I disabled the room to begin with. And then, yeah. Right. Okay, where are the conveyors? I make it about twice as fast. No, not this scene. This one. That's better. Actually, it does need to be a bit quicker. I want the I want it to match the speed of the crab. Of course, this is definitely a trial and error deal. Okay. Still a bit more. 0.05. Main scene we need to play. Ever so slightly more. But I don't think it goes to that level of precision. Well, yeah, we get an extra 10th. Still a bit. Oh, 6. I gotta stop clicking this button. Done it again. I'm so used to clicking this button to test, an individual scene back in the Wait, what? This is way faster. Sorry. Back to 0.06. Okay, so yeah, I was looking at the actual jittering movement of Sheena, which I suppose it's its own thing, but it's not what we're trying to solve. Yeah, that's close enough. Right. This should also have a audio stream player 3D and give us sort of a sound. Gonna have to do that later though. Is there a placeholder stream that we can use? No. No, it wouldn't be that. Audio stream generator, that's not it. Randomizer. Is it? Oh, right. So this isn't a placeholder, it's just something. Fine. I'll make another one then. Actually, I do have Audacity open. Okay. get that noise profile, select everything, remove the noise. Well, that's probably not going to do much. I need to amplify it to -6. I think that's, yeah. Okay. Hopefully the noise profile will be a bit more obvious. Yeah. Okay, sure. Let's just put it on the other monitor while I export it. I'll call this pop.mp3. I don't care about file formats. This isn't a professional production. Right, while we're here. Yeah, you can use that for the firing of the whatever peak amplitude -6 to match that. Noise reduction, get noise profile, then oh. Fine. Okay. Projectile fire. And yeah, I can probably use that for the other thing. Minimize that. Alright. Let's see. Pop. This on here. Sure. Oh, right. No, I've forgotten. Let's open a pop. Delete that, and then re-export. Yep. Actually, I can probably just do this as well. Nah, just delete it. Export again. Yes. Don't save the project, don't need that. Right. Pop that MP3, and then when it gets re-imported, there we go. Okay, that's good. And then on body enters, if it's not a bot, there. Else dollar audio stream player 3D dot play. So that should play whenever it bounces off a wall. Let's save this. Conveyors are fine. Turntable. This also needs one. Unit size we'll have to set to something ridiculous like 200 just so the camera, because the camera's so high up. Yeah, that's... Because the camera's so high up, you need to have the unit size to be a bit bigger just so the sound's not completely attenuated by the time it reaches the camera. This needs to be redone. Okay, open it up in Audacity. Yeah, I am a bit burned out. I'm probably just going to do absolutely nothing but Dawn Trail after this jam. But yeah, I am in the home stretch. Well, not exactly the home stretch, but close enough. Alright, all of this. Piss off. This. Amplify to peak -6. It's not the best, but I'll do it. Actually, before I do that. This will want to fade out. Saves us having to do it at that little sound at the end. Something that I learned from Pole Cannon. Right. That's fine. I feel that noise might be getting annoying. Then we can actually copy this node into our direction switch scene and do this. On body enter blah 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 health body equals spaces and then audio stream play 3D play. Sakana as well, you need your thing here. Same with this. Your stream will be a project fire. Projectile fire. Right. Sakana. Bar projectile audio. And the reason why I'm doing it here and not in the other turntables and what have you, well, you'll just have to wait and see. Copy this path. Oh yeah, max polyphony 2. That does what I mean. Maximum number of sounds is played node can play at the same time. Okay. Also, I am putting everything on a master bus because I just can't be asked to do things properly. Like I said, burnout. Right. Greater realism and low pass filter applied to distant sounds. This can be disabled by setting attenuation filter cut to 20,500 hertz. No, I think that's alright. Yeah. Apply. Right, what else? I am breaking rocks. So, just gonna hop on the old Pixabay. So bloody tired. Yeah, we go play it. Only go for a couple hours. I got awoken pretty early by the cat this morning and just couldn't get back to sleep, so I'm just really, really tired. Here we go, rock break. Yeah, this one will do. Ooh. Hello, can I move this onto another monitor? Okay, fine. Fuck you then. Audio. Alright. Share that in folder, open it up in Audacity. I just want to get it to its I want to get it to a set the peak to -6. That's what I meant to say. Because yeah, you can see here it's too loud at the moment. So peak amplitude -6. Apply like that. Just export it like so. And there we go. Right, I think that's, oops. There we go. Yeah, it was originally this big, but then it became that big, and yeah. Don't need that. Right. What else? Now. So the projectile file will be on here, and then the breakable rock also needs one of these. Rock destroy. Q3, and then wait, no. It's this needs a bit more. So breakable. No, wait, visible. Equal. Oh, wait, I'll get this done eventually. Breakable rocks. This is the mesh. Set that to be invisible. Collision shape 3D dot disabled equals true. Then audio stream 3D dot play. Then await audio stream player 3D dot finished. And then get rid of it. I also want to put in a particle effect, but I'm not sure if I have the time. Not crunch. Yeah, you're fine. Okay, so the root sounds. I need to switch on sound effects as well, like I said. That also the door opening. If I can get away with it, I'd use the Star Trek thing, the whoosh thing, but that's not a thing. Okay, yeah, that's fine. The pop doesn't play because I know where that goes. Right, I think music's a touch loud. I set the volume to -3. That might help. The projectile, where are you? Okay, if not body is static reading, then else it plays. Huh. Try that. Yeah. And then what else? Room manager needs one as well. Sure. Uh, let's see. This one. Normally I don't stick this stuff as a... I wouldn't recommend putting it as a canvas layer, but I just put it here just because I can't be asked to change the whole get child thing, which is definitely on me for writing it in the first place, but like I said, I'm too burned out to do stuff properly. I'm fairly sure I had a room reset. Is it? This is it. Uh, then yeah. I need to go back into Audacity and amplify the last few. Okay, room manager on reset room, and then finally audio stream. Oh wait. Audio stream player 3D. No, it's canvas layer. Audio stream player dot play. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just completely goofed up. Just can't straight. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this stream today. I'm sorry it's been so short, but it's the way it is sometimes. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon.